Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back, guys. And today is the 1st June 2022. How to live trade Forex today with our Forex trading plan. Right, so anyway, this 1st June has nothing to do, alright. Okay, but just take note about tomorrow, okay. Alright, okay, so tomorrow trading, okay, so just take note a little bit, but tomorrow, just focus on today first, alright? Okay, so yes, welcome back here, Hubert. Thank you for coming back and nice to see you here. Right, and hi Bradley, Fed, Quack, Aiden, Trinan. Nice to see all of you here. Roger, yes, okay, Roger, yeah. And Riado. Okay, so yes, let's us have our MT4 quickly. Okay, all right. So let's take a look at AUDCAD. Let's take a look at AUDCAD first. Okay, AUDCAD. So AUDCAD over here. Okay, from the bear and now it hits on our bull. Okay, support here and now it's retracing upwards. Correct. Alright, it's retracing upwards one, then now it's still at the, we have a retracement down here in the bear. Okay, so over here today, it seems like today is a retracement day and towards the resistance, which is very near to the bull. Okay, so over here, well, today we are right in the middle. Okay, and seems like there's somewhere that we are going. Alright, either it go this way to test the resistance or it will come back to continue to test the support. So it's either way. So since that's the case, since either way there's no clear directions, then I'm going to skip this. Okay. Alright. So next to go. Okay, next to go, let's go into Aussie franc. Alright, Aussie franc over here. Aussie franc today we are still having a retracement. So buying is possible. So is the retracement going to end very soon? Okay, let's check over here. Okay, the resistance here. Yes, retracement ended here and going to retest once again. All right, so since it's going to retest once again, I will prefer that tentatively, I will say that we shall give this a miss. Okay, and it's not really that fantastic right now. Okay, okay, so since that's the case, also give this a miss as well, right? Perhaps it can come again on the second half of the day, right? It may on the second half of the day. So tentatively, you're in the middle, right? So let it go and retest the resistance first. Then after that, then we will come in for another. Trade, all right? Okay, so let's move again in Aussie yen. Aussie yen. So Aussie yen over here. Yes, we are still in the bear. Okay, however, the retracement has actually pushed us up. Okay, so now buying is possible. Okay, buying is possible over here, as we can see. Okay, right now it has retested the previous resistance and break over here. So it's now moving towards the another higher resistance. Okay, so we have plenty to wait. So now tentatively, I'm going to give this a miss. Okay, so let's take a look at H4. Right, H4 resistance is pretty high up. Okay, so yeah, we have one here, which is about only 28 pips to hit on the resistance. Okay, in this case, am I going to sell the Aussie yen today? Right, perhaps it will happen on the second day as well. Okay, it may happen on the second day, right? So this one we can pay attention to, but on the second half of the day. All right. Second half, not second day, second half of the day. All right. Okay. Yes. So okay. So that's right. All right. So for Aussie yen, we are still now moving. Okay. To test on the resistance. So I'm not going to put this into my watch list. All right. Aussie Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi. We are back here. All right. So buying is still possible, but no for selling definitely. Okay. All right. So now Aussie dollar. Let's take a look at Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar over here, Aussie dollar, we are now moving towards the bull, correct? So over here, there's a slight over here, all right, a slight over here, correct? So right now, I would say that for Aussie yen, okay, actually now create sorry, Aussie dollar, not Aussie yen, Aussie dollar. Okay, as you can see here, we have one resistance over here. So resistance over here right now, okay, right now we have a resistance over here, and then will that be a good chance for us to sell? But for Aussie dollar, if I want to sell, okay, I would prefer to wait for it to test on the resistance once again. Okay, without breaking, then I will start selling. For Aussie dollar, I will say that probably it's still not very ideal to sell right now. Okay, we have to monitor for a little while more. Okay, right. So yeah, so tentatively Aussie is stuck in the middle of nowhere. So perhaps second half of the day will have a better chance, a better clearer picture for us. All right. So over here, then let's go into Euro Aussie, right? Euro Aussie, yes, Euro Aussie now retesting the support. Okay, retesting the support now. So Euro Aussie, are we looking out for a bull or a bear? Okay, so tentatively, I am still looking for a bull. Okay, for a bull. So right now we are at the support. Right now we are at the support. So if this support has been tested and to become a buy like this, okay, most likely buying is possible. So I'm not going to touch this. All right. Okay. So EURCAD. Let's take a look at EURCAD. EURCAD, identify the trend first. Okay. So first of all, okay, we are now back into the bear trend. Okay. So right now in the bear, I'm looking out for selling. So selling, where is the selling point that we are looking out for? All right. So EURCAD. Yesterday we are waiting for it to break the support. Okay, but it retraced upwards. And now we have, it seems like we have a better space, 20 pips, not a lot. Okay, it's not a lot as well. So currently, I would say that, okay, in this case, I will still be waiting. The resistance no change, but I'm still waiting for it to break the support. Okay, that's for EURCAD. Okay, so EURCAD, I'm going to put this into my watch list again. Okay, so although yesterday we have no chance, but today it seems like it's going to start building up a lower resistance. And it's still running on the trading market, then I will continue, okay, to watch over this, all right, so that we can have a better chance. Okay, all right, yes, okay, so let's go on the Euro Yen, all right, Euro Yen. Okay, yesterday we are also looking for it that the first half we actually have a good selling. After that, the second half is actually moving towards the north. Right, so right now, is it still in the bear or in the bull? Okay, we are very close to back to the bull, so no change. So tentatively, okay, skip this because this is not really ideal to sell. Okay, right now, so probably it can achieve some on the second half of the day, right? Second half of the day, right? So why is that so? Is because right now I've reached this level of resistance. Okay, I reached this level. Is estimated here. Okay, this level of resistance. All right. So this level of resistance. Okay, it can have a push. All right. So, well, let me see if this is second half. No, I think perhaps. Okay, perhaps this may on the first half it will have a slide. Yeah, we may have a slide here until here we have about 50. Okay, about 50. So let me move the support level up again. Okay, support level around here. Okay, so as you can see here, right? So one resistance that becomes support. So this is one that we can focus. Also Euro Yen. Today, all right, today there may be a slide down of about the space about 50 pips. So I guess it is still quite okay to focus. All right. Okay. So let's take a look. Okay, on Euro Kiwi, right? Euro Kiwi, we are in the bull. Okay. So like I said, since the Euro Kiwi is in the bull, waiting for it to meet up with one support, which you can see is a landing over here in this support here, and now it's starting to have a buying signal. So Euro Kiwi is still good for buying, but not for selling, right? So Euro dollar, how about Euro dollar? All right, Euro dollar over here. Okay, euro dollar, we are now retracing downwards for a selling in the bull. I would say in the bull. Will that be in the bull? Okay, so right now it's going to retest the support. So it's going to retest this support level. Okay, I would say that it's about support level. Okay, so now not so ideal, I would say. Okay, so euro dollar, we are going to sell. It's already started to sell since about 8 hours ago. It's about 25 pips away. Well, I would say that perhaps we still have some chance. Okay, we still have some chance to do so. Okay, so perhaps we have to wait for it to retest the resistance. Okay, retest the resistance once again in H1. After the retest, if it's not breaking, then probably we will have a chance. Okay, all right. So euro dollar, I'm going to put this into my watch list as well. Okay, right, euro dollar. So I'm waiting for a new cycle to sell like this, okay, or to retest the resistance, then we start selling. All right, okay, all right. So yep. Okay, so guys, if you're new to my channel, remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that every day you can go live with me together to analyze the picks. So which are the following currency pairs that we can focus. Okay, all right. So Pound Aussie, let's take a look at Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie once again. All right, Pound Aussie. Yesterday, yes, we have a slide down there. Okay, so now coming to the support. Okay, so now coming to the support, will that be a good chance to sell? Okay, so for Pound Aussie, I will say that if we want to sell, all right, it will be good that if we can break the support here. Break the support, retest the support once again, then we start selling. Okay, all right, so Pound Aussie, yes, I'm going to put this into my list. Okay, Pound Aussie. Okay, so let's move again. AUDCAD. Let's take a look at AUDCAD. So AUDCAD, what is the trend first? The trend is still in the downward trend, selling trend, right? So we are looking out for support. No, selling, we want the resistance, correct? We want the resistance. So over here, that day, okay, the day before, we actually completed this profitable space, and successfully it breaks even further down, correct? It breaks even further down now, down here. All right, so over this part here, I would say we are now on the resistance. Okay, we are now on the resistance, and there's one profitable space over here. Okay, this is good. Okay, AUDCAD. So AUDCAD, yeah, we have about roughly, okay, 50, 20, 37. Okay, 37, 50, 50. Yeah, about 37 pips. Okay, I'm doing all the mental sum. Okay, so we have about 37 pips to go. All right, 37 pips of AUDCAD. Okay, so it depends on where did you enter. Okay, so AUDCAD is good to sell. All right, so just look out for selling signal. All right, yep. Okay, so just look out for selling signal. Once it's into this blue box, yeah, we got a good chance to sell. All right. Okay, so well, okay, so let's take a look at pound franc. Now, pound franc after the testing and it went back to the bull zone, well, probably we are going for a buy. Okay, going for a buying. So pound yen, pound franc, I'm not going to touch it. Okay, all right, next to go, pound yen, right? Pound yen. So pound yen, okay, we have been focusing pound yen for quite a few days, and today this pound yen will still be good for us. Okay, so right now I would say that the pound yen is actually now going for a retracement right now. All right, so in H4 we are also on the resistance, which is quite good. Okay, we have a chance to sell. Okay, we have a chance to sell, but we are selling within the retracement. Okay, so this pound yen will be more onto the retracement. So people who are well versed in retracement, okay to trade, but I will say that if you're not, then better not to. Okay, all right. I guess this retracement may come in the first half of the day. All right, first half of the day. So very likely we still stand a chance to sell a bit. Okay, so I'm going to put pound yen into my watch list. Okay, pound yen. Okay, but it's only for first half. Only for first half. Correct. Okay. Pound yen. Okay, pound yen. It's only first half. It's only first half. First half of the day. Okay, so second half probably we have to see how the situation goes. Then we will be able to decide. Okay. Yep. Okay. So pound kiwi. Let's take a look at pound kiwi. So while again pound kiwi we are in the bull, so turning up again for the buying. So no for selling definitely. Okay, good for buying, not for selling. So pound dollar. Let's take a look at pound dollar. Pound dollar, we are now retracing downwards. Okay, we are now retracing downwards from the bulldog. Okay, we are just by the side, but today it still seems like selling is still possible. We are now from this part here. Okay, we have a resistance up here, and now when it sell down here, it has been hovering around, created another resistance. So in this case, the resistance has already started selling. Can we still sell this pound dollar? Okay, pound dollar. All right, unless we have a new cycle of selling. Let's see, Let's see. Do we have enough space first? Okay, currently we still have about 19 pips to go. So for pound dollar who want to sell, okay, you can only scalp it. Okay, try to scalp it within this 19 pips of space. Alright, if you are retracing upwards to retest the resistance without breaking, then you come back for selling, fine. That's okay. That will be okay to sell also. Okay. Alright. So tentatively we still have quite a while to go. So pound dollar over here. Okay, I'm gonna put this into my list. Right. Okay, pound dollar. Okay, so right now next to go, let's take a look at the dollar CAD. Right, dollar CAD. Yes, dollar CAD. So yes, is it tonight? Today is Wednesday, right? Today is Wednesday. So in GMT plus 8, okay. Tonight, okay, we are very likely to experience, okay, some volatility because of FOMC member, okay, and also what will we be talking about is the FOMC member will start to talk and vote the amount of percentage raise. Okay, so tentatively I will say that the dollar CAD may need to monitor further, okay, before we take action. Okay, all right. So how about dollar franc? Dollar franc is a retracement, definitely. Okay, non look can tell. So the end of the retracement is maybe will be here. Okay, or a purple line. Okay, so this will actually need some patience as well. So I'm going to skip this. Okay. So how about dollar yen? Dollar yen. Okay, dollar against the yen is going very strong now. So no for selling, definitely. Okay, buyers can take note, but please pay attention to where is the resistance. Okay, right. Briano, Roger, and Aiden, correct? Okay, cryptocurrency of Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin against the dollar. Yes, congratulations, successfully. Okay, successfully. Right, you collected about from yesterday was 30, right? Okay, and today is actually 32. Okay, so I guess this is fantastic. So now we have already meet up with one. Okay, so this is the one line that we should be paying attention to, because this is where the 32 is where the market is actually looking at to achieve the 32. Okay, so I hope you also achieve a 32 as well. Okay, all right. Well, congratulations, you 2000 TP. Wow. Okay, fantastic. Okay, I guess that's a big part. Okay, very good. Keep up the good work. Okay, all right. So today let's take a look. What do we have? Okay, to focus. Very fast. Okay, time flies so quickly. All right. So we have EUROCAD, Euro Yen, Dollar Yen. Pound Aussie, Pound CAD, Pound Yen, and Pound Dollar. Okay, so I see that we still have a very good chance for all these. Okay, so guys, be patient to wait for those that you need to wait, that you really need to wait. Okay, so don't crash with them. Okay, don't crash with them and get yourself crushed. Okay, all right. So yes, that's all for today. Right. So guys, I'm going to see you tomorrow again. All right, and later on, I will be having my live session. Okay, as well. So those who have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, smash the subscribe button and also ring up the bell. So when I go live, okay, around another 1.5 hours or so, then I will start going live. Okay. So guys, thank you so much for today, and I shall see you tomorrow. This is everything from ACS Learning Hub.